Alright everybody, just got done installing my Rough Country Universal 8-gang switch panel in my 2017 Jeep Wrangler. I think it turned out pretty good. I'll show you a little bit of what I did. That's the panel, that's the breaker. Haven't installed anything yet. And all the wires down the positive, around here, underneath, around to that, and then around to the positive terminal, negative straight down. And ran this up into a switchable fuse. Yep. That's pretty much it underneath the hood. And then ran that wire along through there. Yeah, not the greatest, but it'll work. Under here, through and behind there. And through behind here. Behind that. Ran it behind the glove box. And down. And in behind here. And that's where she's mounted it. That's what I plan to run so far. Some underglow, rock lights, whip lights. The rest are just blanks. But, moment of truth, let's see if she works. It's fairly simple. The instructions aren't, don't go into very much detail. Pictures are kind of helpful. But, got a good bit of extra hardware. I guess if you were gonna mount it different ways, do different things, it's got an extra different mount bracket right here, where you could just mount it to a flat surface. It's even got this cool little dust water cover deal. It says, please use this cover in rain and snow. Car wash or surfing at the beach. Okay. Cool. It's all the different stickers that you can swap out, put in whatever, however you want to do it. That's it. It's the 8-gang multi-light controller by Rough Country. It's pretty sweet. Alright, let's see. Should just come on an accessory. Hey. Okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, bro. I ain't mad at it. Oh. Wish those were a different color. And you're supposed to be able to turn it off and turn it back on, and it's supposed to have saved what you turned it off as. Ah, yeah, it does. Alright, cool. Not gonna lie, I like it. For the price, for the look. I think you can get the aux beam, I believe. The 8-gang aux beam switch controller for about the same price. But I'm pretty sure it's the same deal. Like, I don't know, could be wrong. Now you can get different backlight colors or the RGB functionality on the aux beam. I don't think that's an option for Rough Country, but tis what it is. looks good. It's gonna work great. I can start hooking up rock lights. Get my whip lights hooked up. Get your thing popping. Yeah. Peace.